I'd like to kiss you, desperately kiss you, like I did.
Hey everybody, Jono here from Subaxtreme. Just out here on a camping trip. Thought I'd bring you guys along while I have a bit of fun on the trip. Thought I'd show you around my campsite. I'm at a nice little property near Cooma in New South Wales. Got our swag, fridge set up, 12-volt systems in there. Not sure what to have for breakfast yet.
Still want to kiss you, desperately kiss you again, to feel that way. Summer's came.
How we doing, guys? Just had myself a swim down here at the river near the campsite. Bloody beautiful. Just about to, I think I'm gonna have a little flick of the old fishing rod. Yeah, no fish and chips for dinner tonight.